Hi, I'm Greg Cruz, Product Manager for CRC Distribution. Today I'd like to speak a little bit about our in-house manufacturing process for seals. We have 138 profiles that are pre-programmed into our software. Now we have unlimited programming for anything that's outside of that standard profile range. The process starts here. The data is entered into the program. The program is then transferred to our ST30. That's a Haas ST30 machine that's been updated by DMH out of Austria to actually make it a seal cutting machine. Soft materials had been a challenge until this process was developed. It does include special toolings that are designed specifically for cutting soft product. This is the backing plates or the clamps to hold the billets of material in the machine. This is our VMS. VMS is our quality control process. Every seal is measured with this machine. It basically takes 6 points, identifies IDOD and cross section. This then allows us to print out a QC report for a customer based on their needs. We're very fortunate to have this. This is something that you don't see in every seal manufacturing facility.